One day, a hungry monkey was wandering through the jungle, searching for food. Suddenly, he spotted a clay pot placed under a tree near a village. Curious, he peeked inside and saw that it was filled with peanuts. Overjoyed, he quickly reached in and grabbed a big handful. But when he tried to pull his hand out, it got stuck in the narrow opening of the pot. The monkey pulled and tugged, shaking his hand back and forth, but it wouldn't budge. Panic set in, yet he refused to let go of the peanuts. As he struggled, some villagers passing by noticed him. They shouted and ran towards him. The monkey saw them approaching, but still he held on to the peanuts. At the very last moment, realizing he was about to be caught, fear overtook his greed. He quickly released the peanuts, pulled his hand free, and scrambled up a tree. Sitting on a high branch, he sighed and thought, if only I had let go earlier, I wouldn't have forced so much trouble. Moral: greed always leads to trouble and can put us in danger.